Okay, Drone Pool here. Today we're going to look at the Horizon Hobby Inductrix Tiny Whoop. I got this from Brian, TDR, True Drone Reviews. So shout out to Brian. Thank you for sending this to me. So let's check it out. Let's see what we got. All right. Okay, you got all the instruction pamphlets down in the bottom. Now this comes with a pretty big transmitter, and it says it uses DSMX technology. I don't know if you can read that, probably not. But those other, like the Furby F36, comes with them small peanut type controllers. So I like this bigger controller. Here's the quad, and it comes with a spare blue canopy. You have the USB charger for the battery, and it comes with a 1S 150 milliamp battery. So I don't know how much flight time you'll get with that. So it looks nice. I like it. It's light. Okay, let's compare it to a couple. Okay, this is a 75 millimeter Whoop. As you can see, it's quite a bit smaller. This has 6 millimeter motors, where this has 7 millimeter motors. Okay. And then we have this little quad here, which is the Furby F36, and they're the same size. So we're going to do a test flight as is, and then I'm gonna have to FPV it. I mean, I got to. So I just can't help it. But let's go ahead and just get this in the air and just kind of see how it handles. Okay? Alright, let's check it out. Okay. Now, turn on some lights. The directions say to turn on the transmitter first and leave it on for like 5 seconds before you plug in the quad, just to make sure it finds the frequency it's looking for. Alright. Let's see what we got. It automatically binds by itself. First thing I can tell right away, it's pretty stable. And I think this only has 2 rates, and you press the right joystick in to change rates. It's quiet too. That's not a bad yaw either for a low rate. Put it up in higher rate. Oh, maybe this is high rate. think so. Oh, I think they said when you turn on the transmitter, it's automatically in high rate, so you have to lower it to go down. But this thing's smooth. It's a smooth little whoop. Now, there's no camera on it, but you know me, I'm gonna change that. It's pretty responsive. Yeah, it's nice and smooth. Yeah. So this is a nice little whoop. It flies good. If you're looking for a whoop, check it out. Now, like I said, it does not have a camera on it, but it will soon. Come over here in the light a little bit and look at it. Now, it does not have altitude hold either, so keep that in mind. But you probably don't want that with a whoop. Yeah, it's nice and quiet. Maybe one day you can grow up to be like one of those big boys. All right. So that is the Tiny Whoop Blade Inductrix. Okay, let me take this off. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a pigtail like this onto the board and put an FPV camera on there, and then we'll do a little bit of FPVing. So I don't know if I'm going to do that in a separate video. I probably will. I'll just do that in another video, so that'll be coming up. So the Inductrix, Blade Inductrix. This is a neat little whoop. It's quiet, it's smooth, it's not real jittery. Flies nice. So we'll see how it does with an FPV camera on it. Now, this handles an FPV camera, and these are only 6mm motors also. So if this can do it, this should too, I would think. So we'll find that out coming up. So yeah, nice little whoop. I like it. Flies nice. So there you go, something to check into. Alright, this is Drone Pool. I'm going to sign out. Alright, I'm back. I couldn't wait. Okay, I went ahead and I soldered on a little pigtail right here. I don't know why this camera don't do a better job. Onto the power board, right where the battery leads are soldered. Got my camera connected. So all I got to do now is kind of get it situated and get it ready to fly. We'll be ready to do some FPV. So, alright, when I get it all situated, we'll come back and we'll see how it does FPV. Alright, hold on. Okay, so, got my camera set up. Got it, got it plugged into the pigtail, getting power directly from the board where the battery leads are soldered onto. So I'm ready to see if this thing will FPV. So guess there's only one thing left to do, and that's just to see if it'll work. So let's give it a go and see if we can fly this thing FPV. Alright, this is Drone Pool signing out.